The Y chromosome is a small but mighty piece of DNA. It's what makes a man a man. This chromosome carries a special gene called SRY. The SRY gene is like a switch. It turns on the development of male characteristics in a growing embryo. Without the Y chromosome and the SRY gene, an embryo would develop into a female. For millions of years, the Y chromosome has been passed down from fathers to sons. It determines the sex of nearly half of the human population, but the Y chromosome is facing a problem. It's been shrinking. Over time, it has lost many of its genes. This loss of genetic material has led scientists to ask an intriguing question. What will happen if the Y chromosome disappears entirely? Will men go extinct? To answer this question, we need to look to the animal kingdom for clues. Believe it or not, some animals have already lost their Y chromosomes, and they offer fascinating insights into the future of human evolution. The human Y chromosome is a shadow of its former self. Millions of years ago, it was much larger, containing hundreds of genes, just like its partner, the X chromosome. Today, it holds a mere 55 genes or so. It's like a book that's lost most of its pages. How did this happen? Unlike other chromosomes, which come in pairs, the Y chromosome is a loner. It only has one copy in males. This means that any harmful mutations on the Y chromosome can't be easily repaired. They get passed down through generations. Over time, these mutations have led to the deletion of genes, causing the Y chromosome to shrink. If this trend continues, some scientists estimate that the Y chromosome could disappear entirely in about 11 million years. The prospect of a world without men might seem like science fiction. However, it's already a reality for some species. Certain rodents like mole voles in Eastern Europe and spiny rats in Japan have completely lost their Y chromosomes. These creatures provide a glimpse into what a post-Y world might look like for humans. Despite lacking a Y chromosome, these rodents still have males and females. They reproduce successfully. This tells us that the Y chromosome, while important, is not absolutely essential for determining sex. How do these rodents manage without a Y chromosome? They've evolved new ways to determine sex. Researchers have discovered that some of these species have developed new sex-determining genes on other chromosomes. The disappearance of the Y chromosome is not an immediate threat to human existence. However, it does raise fascinating questions about our evolutionary future. Will humans still exist in 11 million years? Will we have adapted to the loss of the Y chromosome? One possibility is that humans will evolve a new sex-determining gene, much like the rodents that have already lost their Y chromosomes. This new gene could emerge on another chromosome, taking over the role of the SRY gene. However, this evolutionary process is not without risks. If different human populations evolve different sex-determining systems, it could lead to reproductive isolation. Imagine a world where humans from different continents can no longer interbreed. This could lead to the emergence of new human species. The future of human sex determination is uncertain, but one thing is clear: life finds a way. Humans are incredibly adaptable, and we've overcome countless challenges throughout our evolutionary history. The potential loss of the Y chromosome is just another hurdle in the ongoing story of human evolution.